ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಟಿ20 ವಿಶ್ವಕಪ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಮೋಘ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಭಾರತದ ಅಂಧ ಮಹಿಳಾ ತಂಡವನ್ನು ಮಣಿಪಾಲ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಎಂದು ಪರಿಗಣಿತವಾದ ಉತ್ಕೃಷ್ಟ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 7ರಂದು ಮಣಿಪಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಈ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭವು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಅಂಧ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ತಂಡದ ಅದಮ್ಯ ಚೇತನ, ಶಿಸ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠತೆಯತ್ತ ಅವರಿಗಿರುವ ಬದ್ಧತೆಯನ್ನು ಶ್ಲಾಘಿಸುವ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂಧ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೇವಲ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಾಗಿ ಉಳಿಯದೆ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣದ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಶಕ್ತಿಯುತ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿಬಂದಿತು. ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಹೆಯ ಕುಲಪತಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂ.ಡಿ. ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್, ಮಾಹೆಯ ಸಹ ಕುಲಾಧಿಪತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಚ್.ಎಸ್. ಬಲ್ಲಾಳ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ಶ್ಲಾಘಿಸಿದರು. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ವಸಂತಿ ಆರ್ ಪೈ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿ, ಮಾಹೆ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸಬಾಹಿತ್, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶರತ್ ಕೆ ರಾವ್, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ನ ಮಾಹೆಯ ಅಂಗಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ತಂಡವನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದರು. ಇದೇ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಧರ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣದ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರೋಡದ ಬ್ರೈಲ್ ಲಿಪಿ ಆಧಾರಿತ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು.
The men and women in blue, when they wear the national jersey, the kind of emotions they bring out and the kind of strength and positivity that they display. And this is no truer than the wonderful team of the Indian Blind women's cricket team, that they have achieved this pinnacle of glory. It's not easy, ladies and gentlemen. It takes a lot of dedication, takes a lot of self-belief, resilience, working against all odds, and yet believing that we can be world beaters. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it's time for us to put a huge round of applause to this wonderful young women who have made our country proud. To us at Mahe, these are the occasions when we feel really happy and that we are fulfilling the dreams and vision of our founder and of our Chancellor, Dr. Ramdas Pai. These are the occasions Mahe rises up and displays its unique characteristic of inclusion, equity, access, justice, and to support every positive social cause. And more than anything else, recognize people who have made our country proud. So this is very, very special for us this evening, especially this evening as a precursor to our international marathon which is going to happen tomorrow. This sporting event is a fitness of things and icing on the cake. Let me thank all those people who made this happen, Mr. Mantesh, Dr. Balal. There's also an occasion which is very special to us. It's a very, very unique occasion where the Indian cricket is literally at the top of the world. We are the holders of the World Cup for the blind women at the World Cup at the international level. We are the holders of the men's T20. We are the holders of women's T20. We are the holders of the under-19 men's cricket, and we are also the holders of the under-15 in the World Cup category. Literally, everything that is there to achieve and conquer in the field of cricket, the Indian men and women have done it. And a very special mention to most courageous and a brilliant performance by our Indian women's blind cricket team. To us at Mahesh, celebrating sporting excellence is in our
Challenged people or disabled people, whichever terminology. I call them special people. We used to call them as special children, because they don't require any sympathy or compassion. They require opportunities. And Mahantesh has given an opportunity for these people to exhibit their talent in cricket. And they have shown brilliantly. Last time 2023 ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಮಹಾಂತೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಶಿಖಾ ಅವರ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಹೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರಿಗೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಕೆಲವರು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ದೇ ಮೈಟ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 3 of them I have represented the country. Congratulations to you, Mahantesh. He has been doing an excellent work, I am telling you. To be with them, he himself is a visually challenged person, and through his Samarthan trust, he has been doing an exemplary work. We appreciate you, Mahantesh, for excellent work that you have been doing, and please continue to do the work, because as I said, these people do not require sympathy or compassion. They require opportunities, which you have provided. And I'm really excited that our girls, blind girls, have shown exemplary characters and won the World Cup for us in 2025. We always glorify our men. Cricket is considered as a religion in this country. There is no doubt. Everybody appreciates it. But lot of importance is given to men's cricket, isn't it? Hardly any importance is given to women's cricket, and that to challenge, visually challenge or any challenge, special type. This is done this time, and I should congratulate Mahantesh and these girls for excellent performance that they have done. And Simo, as I said, spoke very well. She said, in the past we were recognized through our parents. Today, our parents are recognized through us, which is absolutely true. Because that should be like that. When we were youngsters, when we were going to the school and all, our parents never encouraged us to participate in sports and games and all. That would be the last thing. To half an hour, maybe 5:30 to 6, then come home and start reading, doing homework, blah, blah, etc. And nobody used to give any importance for these extracurricular activities. Today it is not so, because a lot of opportunities are there, and our teams, especially girls, they have won the World Cup. Yesterday, under-19, which our Vice Chancellor has already mentioned, they won the World Cup. See, we won the under-19 World Cup, we won the blind girls World Cup match, T20 men's World Cup match. See, and T20 match is going to happen again. And yesterday's under-19, that Suryavamshi's blistering 175 runs, 82 balls. See, I'm telling you, he is a real prospect for our country. Maybe exceeding Sachin Tendulkar also. That's the impression of Virat Kohli. He has been doing extremely well, and we wish him all the best, and our teams have been doing very well, and I would like to thank and